Hello, Flagler County. This is Bob Pickering at the Emergency Operations Center with the latest Flagler weather update. Just a reminder, I'm not a meteorologist, so the weather information I present originates from the National Weather Service. Quick look at the tropics. Nothing going on there. So let's take a look at our local weather. We got a southwest wind flow moving across the state of Florida. And what that does is that generates scattered showers and thunderstorms along the Gulf Coast, and that activity spreads across the state and then clusters on the east side of the state in the afternoons and evenings, giving us those showers and storms that we've been seeing here in Flagler County. And it looks like that's going to continue at least through Friday. A good chance of showers and storms every afternoon and evening, with rain chances actually decreasing as we go towards the weekend due to a pattern shift, and we'll be talking about that in just a little bit. Just a reminder, any one of these storms could be strong, producing squally winds, dangerous lightning, torrential downpours, maybe even some small hail. So let's be alert to that. Mornings are going to start off with variable cloud and sunshine, maybe in a few sprinkles. Some of the cloud drifting in from the storms off to the west that'll be coming in from the Gulf of Mexico. But as we get into the afternoon and evenings, expect numerous showers and thunderstorms pretty much county-wide. Again, the worst of them will be localized, so you might get a little rain and thunder at your location, but your friend across town might get a really good storm, or it could work out the other way around. And again, some days they will come a little bit earlier, some days they'll come a little bit later, but pretty much the same thing is going to be expected through Friday. Variable cloud and sun and outbreaks of showers and storms in the afternoon and evening, and there might be some leftover rains that linger into the evening hours. High temperatures upper 80s to near 90, lows in the mid 70s. Now as we go towards the weekend, some good news. If you want to get rid of the thunderstorms for a while, the wind flow is expected to change, and that'll drive the showers and thunderstorms to the west and towards the Gulf Coast. We could get a few along the coast in the morning and a few inland in the afternoon, but the bulk of the activity is shifting inland. So Saturday through Monday, patchy cloud, maybe a shower or a storm, but the chances of it quite low. The better chances inland west of Bunnell. High temperatures getting into the lower 90s due to more sunshine being out. Low temperatures in the mid 70s at night. At the beaches, surf 2 to 3 feet. Surf temperature 79 degrees. Yes, the water temperature has come down, and it's usually a result of that offshore wind flow pushing the warmer water out away from us and bringing up some of the cooler water from the depths. With the winds changing this weekend, we should see the water temperature start coming back up. There is an elevated risk of rip currents at our beaches, so if you're going to the beaches, make sure that you know how to get out of the rip currents. If you have friends in from out of town, they're not familiar with the ocean, make sure they know how to get out of rip currents before getting in that water. Make sure you get your sunblock on just the same. UV index is extreme. So stay informed. Weather's always changing. If we go, take your computer, navigate to flaglercounty.org and hover the mouse right over webcams and weather. You can get the latest information from what's going on with the Weather Service. Sign up for Alert Flagler while you are there so you can get a heads up on any of the big storms. If you have a weather radio, check it out. It'll give you some good updates on the weather as well as updates on the tropics. You can also go to hurricanes.gov to get the latest tropical weather updates. That's going to wrap things up in the Emergency Operations Center. Everyone have a lovely day.